that was the awning.
They told us not to run this trail in the rain. So we did it anyways. But by the time we got here, everything had already gone wrong.
All right, here we go. Windows up.
It's sliding off towards the cliff. I can't see back there.
Other people are packing up and going home, and we're heading out to go camp. Let's get after it. Those clouds are dark. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good night. All right, well, adversity number one has begun. There was a major accident up ahead and the road is closed off. They're forcing everyone to get off on the exit. So we got a little bit of rerouting to do. We're still about 65 miles away from camp, but the trip update changed it to like 4 hours till camp. Home for the night is set up. Step 2 is to get the propane torch on. Step 3 is to have some drinks.
Woke up the next morning and it felt like a completely different world.
Man, I am so excited to be back out here. Y'all make sure you like and subscribe the video. Give us a thumbs up and click that bell notification so you don't miss the next one. We need your help. I want to do this full time and we cannot do it without your guys' support.
Come on. Just stay like you are.
Coming up. Now go pasture. There you go.
In the dry, this wouldn't be much. In the rain, it changes everything. No room for correction, no margin for error, just commit.
We're definitely going to be threading the needle here. We got this rock formation here. It's putting everything up about 2 feet, 3 feet almost. And then stumps and this like loose rock to make up that wall. So we got to be careful not to go off that way. That's a bad day right there.
You scoot over to the right a little.
Go to the right just a little. Oh, too much, too much, too much, too much. Come on up. You're over the stump. Oh, whoop, whoop. Go passenger. Alright, now driver. Scrape them up. There you go. Stuck there.
You're alright, come on.
That one there made my butthole pucker. It feels real soft. My back is sliding off towards the cliff. I can't see back there and don't feel like I'm going to be on the road.
That make your butthole pucker right there. Holy smokes. You only make that mistake once. All right, driver, your front's clear. Now you can hold that angle straight there. That's the ugly part. You're good on the back though. Now straight. There you go. You're okay, you're okay, you're okay. Straight, straight, straight. Turn your tires straight. Come down. Front passenger. Hold up. You're stuck up on a stump. Go on your front passenger. There you go. Tight fit. Man, this right here is a big old nice camping spot.
After that, the trail opened up a bit. No rush, just taking our time, seeing what was out here. Eventually we stopped for lunch, and that's where things split. Brent had to head back, so it was just the two of us from here on out. And that's when the idea came back up. That trail, the one we were told not to run in the rain. Last time, we barely beat the rain. This time, we didn't. And to make it worse, we were running it backwards.
All right, lunch of champions right there. Sandwiches and mud. Why is my sandwich a little gritty?
At this point, there was no reason to turn around. We already knew what this trail could be, just not like this. Everything's slick, everything's slower, and every move matters. It's not extreme, but it doesn't have to
be. If you don't like what you see, just go another 2 or 3 miles and it's totally different. It's holding up to that saying, isn't it?
Definitely doing that today.
Oh, that was the awning. this is more technical than it looks like. Because you're having to bob and weave around through trees and pick a line through a hole that ain't gonna swallow you.
That and all of the four-wheelers and side-by-sides and stuff have made so many paths through here that it's like there's just stuff in the way. You got to snake your way through.
Back up. Straight right there.
My belly on this rock before I got that high side.
Straight ahead. Turn passenger just a little bit. Coming up in the back, you're fixing to go. Alright, you're still coming up. Yeah, you got it.
Front passenger comes up first. Checking right now. Turn more passenger a little bit. Right there. There you go. Keep going passenger. Alright, back is coming up. Yep. Good, straight. There you go. Go passenger. Go right there. All the way through. Back. Take it all. Hold up. Let her roll back just a little bit. Give it a little bump. Alright. There you go. And that was freaking awesome. We got through it unscathed. It took a little bit of slow crawling, but man, the wet made a big difference. And going up it was so much fun. That was freaking awesome.
We had already run this trail once. Same route, different conditions. And that's all it took to turn something familiar into something completely different. It's not always the trail that tests you. Sometimes it's when you choose to run it. We knew better. We just did it anyways. Life's an adventure, and we're all explorers in our own way. So get out there, forge your path, and make memories that last a lifetime.